Now practice together. E, she, U, shoe, I, shy, A, shop, A, ship, A, shut, I, shine, or short, L, shell, ache, shake, arp, sharp, air, share, a, shadow, shower, shirt, sugar, shiny, shove, shout, sheep, shrimp, shiver, shoulder, shelter, shuffle, shrink, shimmer, shaking, shepherd, sunshine. Now let's practice with the sentence. She is happy. Put on your shoes. Don't be shy, my boy. Let's go to the shop. The ship is big and blue. Shut the door, please. The stars shine at night. This is the short story. Look at the pretty shell. Let's shake hands. Be careful, the knife is sharp. Please share your toys. The shadow follows you. The shadow follows you. I love a warm shower. You should eat your food. Sugar makes food sweet. The ball is shiny. Use a shovel to dig. Don't shout. Speak softly. The sheep is fluffy. I will eat shrimp today. It is cold. I shiver. Rest your head on my shoulder. This house is our shelter. Let's shuffle the cards. My clothes shrink in hot water. The water shimmers in the sun. He is shaking with excitement. A shepherd takes care of sheep. You bring sunshine to my day. One day, she was very happy. She put on her shoes and ran outside. Don't be shy, my boy, said Mom. They walked to the shop to buy a toy. On the way, they saw a sheep in the river. Can you shut your eyes and make a wish? The stars began to shine in the sky. They told a short story under the tree. Then they found a shell on the ground. Let's shake hands and play a game. Be careful, the knife is sharp. We should always share with friends, Mom said. The sun set and the shadow got bigger. It started to rain, so they ran to the shower. You should dry your hair before bed, Mom said. She made hot sugar tea for them. The cup was shiny like the stars. Dad used the shovel to fix the garden. He told them not to shout, but to laugh. They saw a sheep sleeping in the field. Then they ate some shrimp for dinner. It was cold. They started to shiver. Mom gave him a hug and rested his head on the shoulder. The house was warm, a safe shelter for the rain. Bye bye, see you next time.